Hi, autumn and winter are the season for tonic. You need some warm ingredients to help your body resist the cold. Lamb is very suitable. Today we are going to shoot braised mutton. The spices in this dish are very simple: star anise, cinnamon, angelica pepper, dried pepper. Packed into soup packets. Cut some more ginger slices and scallions. For blanching, the green onions will be cut finer. Because time is short, it makes it easier to release flavors. I use lamb ribs. Pot under cold water. Add cooking wine, ginger, scallion. Boil over high heat. Take out and wash the foam with warm water and control the moisture. Hot pan, hot oil. Put it back in the pot. Fry it on high heat until the surface is a little charred. Add ginger slices and scallion bean paste. Red oil over low heat. Stir fry evenly with mutton. Light soy sauce and dark soy sauce seasoning. Picture convenience and security. I use ready-made sugar color. Pour in a large can of beer. You can also use water. Throw in the spice, a little sugar to freshen up. Bring to a boil and simmer for an hour and a half. Bean paste, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. These are all salty. I won't add any extra salt. Salted eggs, of course, to your own taste. Don't choose a side dish. It is recommended to cut white radish into pieces. Simmer together for 20分钟before starting the pot. And then something happened.